Dreams and their meaning. Scenario: in a dream, you picked up a fruit and opened it and saw that it contained within it large quantity of seeds. Then a snake appears and chases you while you were running. You lost the fruit. What it means: if you are a woman in need of a child, what this is simply telling you is that God has blessed you with children, but evil forces are after your unborn children, preventing them from coming to you physically. For any other person, simply put, God has just shown you the blessings He has in stock for you. But the evil one or forces are after your blessings. Let's break this down even more. Where does the fruit come from? A fruit can either come from a plant or a tree. So then how do the tree come to existence? Do they just appear from nowhere? The answer is no. They are planted. So you see, efforts are being put in use in order to have a fruit, meaning fruit is a reward of labor. Solution: if you receive this revelation, your problem is half solved, meaning with the help of God, you can and will overcome. Go to Him in prayers and He will answer you. Read Psalms 51, 35 and 91. Then pour out your heart to Him. Do this while believing in God that can change all situations.